Hello friends, start video in this session with Python intro video। जैसा कि आप ऑन द स्क्रीन आप डिस्प्ले पर देख रहे हो, और यहाँ पे पाइथन इंट्रो। व्हाट इज पाइथन? पाइथन क्या है? Python is popular programming language. Python popular programming language that was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991 में ये क्रिएट हुई थी। इट इज यूज फॉर, इसे किसके लिए यूज किया जाता है? वेब डेवलपमेंट, सर्वर साइड सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, मैथमेटिक्स, सिस्टम स्क्रिप्टिंग। What can Python do? Python can be used on server to create web application. Python को हम एक यूज करते हैं किसके लिए? वेब एप्लीकेशन को क्रिएट करने के लिए। Python can be used to alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database system. I can also ready and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used to repeat prototype or for production ready software developer. Why Python? Python ही क्यों? Python work on different platform. Python को हम different platform पर स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. This is a main operating system. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Python एक सिंपल, इसमें सिमिलर इंग्लिश बेस पे होती है। Python has a syntax that allow development to write programming pure line to sum and programming language. Python run interpreted system, meaning that code on execute as soon as it is right. This is mean prototype can be very quick. Python can be trade in a producer away to operating system away is functional away. Python syntax compared to other programming language. इसमें अदर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज जैसे कि आपने जावा, C++, इन सभी लैंग्वेज से ये कंपेयर टू पाइथन लैंग्वेज इजी, क्योंकि उसमें हमें सेमीकोलन, पैरेंथेसिस जावा में और C++ में लगानी पड़ती हैं, नहीं तो एरर आ जाता है। हमारी इस पाइथन लैंग्वेज में क्या होता है, हम इसमें सिंथेक्स, सेमीकोलन और पैरेंथेसिस नहीं लगाते हैं, इसलिए इजी लैंग्वेज होती है। जैसे कि एग्जांपल आप VS कोड या कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे जाके रन भी कर सकते हो। जैसे आपने प्रिंट किया हेलो वर्ल्ड, मैं पाइथन को आपके लिए वीडियो के द्वारा इंट्रोड्यूस कराता हूँ। जस्ट सी न्यू।
Imagine if you could tell your computer exactly what to do in a language almost as simple as English. That's Python. Created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991, Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Whether it's powering web applications, creating software, solving math problems, or even automating the boring stuff on your computer, Python is the go-to language for all that and more. With Python, you can build web apps, automate tasks, manage big data, and even connect to databases. It's truly a Swiss Army knife of programming. So why Python? Well, it works on almost any device, from your Windows PC to a Raspberry Pi. Its simple syntax means you write less code and do more, fast. Plus, it's super easy to learn and use. Whether you prefer procedural, object-oriented, or even functional programming, Python's got you covered. It adapts to your style, making it perfect for both quick projects and complex software systems. And whether you prefer coding in a simple text editor or a powerful IDE like PyCharm or Eclipse, Python supports all. Python's design focuses on readability. It uses lines and spaces to organize code, unlike the curly brackets and semicolons you see in many other languages. Let's try a quick example. If we type print hello world, Python will greet us without any fuss. Let's see it in action. Now we add some simple calculations like 5 plus 5 and 10 times 2. No problem for Python. That's a wrap on our Python introduction. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to get notified about our latest videos. For more coding tips and tricks,